You hear that?
Yeah, I heard it. Very classy.
Classy. Promise. Yay, I can spell. No. Oh, you flammed me.
Anyways.
Okay, that's better.
And I'll tell you if it's
Banana
interesting.
hammock.
I like the pigtails.
Everybody loves the pigtails.
Well, it's you. It's pigtails. It actually really fits your personality.
I'm so bubbly. That's why.
Bubbly.
I just helped you just a little bit. There you go.
It's like
Oh, don't! I worked so hard on that.
Wait, I'm actually pretty cool.
Just let me use you as a human chair. Go through and find Kanye. Let's listen to Kanye West. So keep your love locked down, your love locked down, keeping your love locked down, your love locked down, now keep your love locked down.